friends, here's a story called Papa, Please Get Me the Moon. Here's a bunch of stars, lots of different colors. Let's start our story. Before Monica went to bed, she looked out of her window and saw the moon. The moon looked so near. I wish I could play with the moon, Monica thought, and she reached for it. Do you think we could touch the moon? I don't know. I've never tried. But no matter how much she stretched, she could not touch the moon. Papa, said Monica to her father, please get the moon for me. Ooh, this has arrows, so we need to open this page and open this page. That's a huge ladder. Papa got a very, very long ladder. Do you think you could carry that ladder? I don't know. He can do it all by himself, but I think it might take me about 4 or 5 friends to carry that ladder. It's so big. He carried the very long ladder towards a very high mountain. Papa put the very long ladder on top of that very high mountain. Look at that. He's climbing super high into the stars. Up and up and up he climbed. He's almost touching the moon. Finally, Papa got to the moon. My daughter Monica would like to play with you, said Papa, but you are much too big. Every night I get a little smaller, said the moon. When I am just the right size, you can take me with you. Look how big that moon is. You have to fold it up. It takes up the whole book. And indeed, the moon got smaller and smaller and smaller. Have you ever looked at the sky and the moon takes up the whole round circle? And then sometimes it's just a little crescent piece? What's going on up there? Here we go. Another big page. When the moon was just the right size, Papa took it and down, down, down he climbed. It's really small now. I don't know if it would really fit in somebody's hand. Here, said Papa to Monica, I have the moon for you. Monica jumped and danced with the moon. She hugged the moon and threw it in the air. But the moon kept getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and finally it disappeared altogether. Have you ever looked in the sky and there was no moon? Then one night, Monica saw a thin sliver of the moon reappear. Look at that. It's a small crescent shape. Each night, the moon grew and grew and grew. Do you see how it's getting bigger? And now it's a full moon again. It takes up the whole sky. The end. Bye, friends.